Hello, in this video I am going to cover how to upgrade your opposing force or bshift installation on your Oculus Quest headset to HD. This assumes that you've already installed opposing force or bshift and assume that you're using Linux. If you're on Mac or Windows, I've got videos on how to install it and upgrade it on, for that. So feel free to check them out. And if you're on Linux, make sure you have actually installed Opposing Force or bshift first, because it is, predicated on that. But I've got videos covering everything. Okay, so first of all, if you open up your web browser, you're going to go to this link. I'll provide a link in the description, don't worry. So you just go here, scroll down, go to the full installation guide, which is a Reddit link. From here, we need something called HL Gold. So if you scroll down, and I think I've gone a bit too far now. Here we go, HL Gold. If we click the here button, this takes us to this web page. Click this big download button. This takes us to Google Drive. Click on the one file there, click download. It's about half a gig, so it might take a bit of time depending on your internet speed. I'm going to cancel it because I've already got it downloaded. And next, we can actually close this down. I'll leave this open for when I actually show the game working. Next, what you want to do is go to wherever you downloaded your opposing force and bshift installation. I use Steam. You could use some other method, but with that there'll be some HD folders there as well. So for me, the Steam is in home. That's strange. Computer user. None of the folders that I usually have are appearing in home. Show you them files. Yeah, there we go. Don't know why that was disabled. Make sure you enable that. Go to .steam. Go to Steam Apps, Common, Half-Life, and what we want to do is we want to grab everything from here. So what you want to do is now, I'll use SideQuest just to confirm that the headset has successfully connected. Connect up your headset. Obviously, this assumes that you've set it up via HeadQuest. You've all this done, but again, I covered this all in my previous video, so feel free to check them out. It's asking me to confirm some permissions in the headset or on the headset. I'm just doing that now. I'll allow USB debugging, all of that good stuff. Okay, so now that that's gone green, what you want to do is go to I'll keep this open. The headset's not detected anymore. It's just asking for allow USB debugging again. I want to click always allow from this computer. It just makes things easier. So click always allow, makes things a lot easier. What you want to do is open up a new window. Go to your Quest. You can use some tool that that can access the files if you want to. Go to XASH in bshift. You want to copy over everything from bshift HD. So copy over all of these folders. You just copy them over. It's going to ask for merging. So an older folder with the same name already exists. Merging will ask for confirmation before replacing any files in that folder. You want to click merge and say apply this action to all files and folders. So that's fine. You just do that. And what you want to do next for Gearbox HD, do the exact same thing. Go to Gearbox. And you want to copy and paste that over, do the exact same thing. And now if you go to downloads, your HL Gold, right click it, extract it, and just wait for that to fully extract. And Okay, so what you want to do in HR Gold, side quests, wrong folder. Open the wrong one again. Go to HR Gold HD, and in the bshift, literally select everything and just drag it over and do the same replace thing that you did before. For gearbox, you're doing the exact same thing. The only thing that you're not copying over is the models, because the models have a slight conflict issue, and sometimes the models don't work well with gearbox. So just copy all the other folders and files over, and really that's it. That's all you have to do. Obviously, make sure you can take a bit of time, so just wait patiently. In the command line.txt, you change this to bshift for blueshift, or gearbox for Half-Life, or valve for Half-Life. bshift for blueshift, gearbox for opposing force, valve for Half-Life, HR_gold_HD for the HD version of Half-Life if you have that as well. Highly recommend that you set up and use Lambda1VR launcher. Makes things a lot easier, trust me. And yeah, so if we just launch up the game now. So let me. We're gonna unplug the headset. Don't need it plugged in anymore. Putting the headset on, I'm just going to share the screen with you. You should see it momentarily. Okay, so here we go. Should be able to see my screen now. The option there. Don't want that. Still want to be able to see everything. Okay, so if I go to my apps, remember you just go to unknown sources in here, select Lambda1VR, and it'll open up whichever one you set in that text file, or Lambda1VR launcher. And if I do that one, this is so much easier, so much better as well. And now you can walk around in here. You can set the anti-aliasing, CPU, GPU, and the commands right here in the game. So we can launch up the games right here. So if I go to bshift, let's go to configuration for bshift and for opposing force. Remember, you can change all this stuff as you want, but in video, make sure you select allow material solder across in there. If I go to new game, and here we go. We have the HD textures installed. So there's nothing more to it than that. I will quit out the game. So that is it. It's that simple to upgrade your opposing force and blueshift installation on your Oculus Quest headset. If you have any questions, as usual, feel free to pop us a little message or a comment on our Discord group. There's a link in the description, and there are Oculus channels. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.